What's going on, guys? We got me and Pete. What's up, Pete?
What's up? What's up?
We are fishing a tournament on Saturday at Lake Kauai. So we haven't been there yet. This is our first time, and I just was asking Pete on the way up there. So, what's your game plan? What's the plan? What do you think is going to happen? What are you going to do as a co-angler? So right now we're going to get Pete's thoughts, Stinky Pete, and so my questions were, what's your plan, what's your goal, and where do you think they're at right now?
So, all of the fishing reports are saying that the fish are still down deep. Everybody's finding them still deep. Finesse techniques, jigs, and spoons is what the reports are saying. I think what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to find structure. This lake doesn't have a ton of structure, so I feel like they're going to be on the structure. However, it is cloudy today, and it's going to be cloudy on the day that we're fishing the tournament. So with that being said, I think they're going to come off the structure a little bit. However, that's where they're going to hang out. You know, it's a few degrees over freezing in the morning, so it's going to take a little while, I think, for the bite to pick up. And then the other goal is, you know, just to put a limit in the boat. I know that there's a double D that got caught not too long ago. I think the key is to put a limit in the boat.
We got our first full moon after some hot weather coming up. I think that they are going to start getting ready to pre-spawn. We have 3 days of hot weather. It's been 70 for 2 days, or just about 70. I think that we should try deep, and I also think we should try shallow. A lot of the times the largemouth, the bigger bass, even when it's cold, they'll hang out on the shorelines. I think that fish are going to start to suspend, getting ready to stage on their new spots, on points, of course. And how do you feel about that? On the first full moon, that's normally when they start, you know, after some warm weather, that's when they start to spawn. So I think they're going to move up, personally.
Yeah, I think they're going to move up. I don't think that they're going to move up, you know, completely shallow. I think a lot of the largemouths are going to move up shallower than, you know, the spotted bass. They're going to be actively looking for a little bit more forage.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Ooh, I got a hit right now.
Rock bass?
Huh?
Rock bass?
Felt like a hit now.
Look.
What?
See that right there?
No.
Huh?
There's a duck out there going up and down.
Right there?
Yeah. It's a duck.
You sure? I don't see him coming out.
Positive. Oh, I gotta get, dude. Net. Net. Should we go to 25?
Well, where'd you catch him? Right here?
Yeah.
So what are we in? 15?
I caught him shallow, bro. He came up and hit it.
Really?
There she goes. Should I weigh it?
Just under 2 pounds.
Nice little largie. Okay, we're on the board. Tony catches the first fish, as always.
Oh, hey. Good one?
I don't know if it's good, but it's a fish.
Same size.
Pete. Weigh it or no?
You can. 1 pound. Just call it 1 pound.
All right, y'all, that's a wrap for day 1 practice. We caught four bass. We didn't get a limit. It's a little tough, but we didn't figure them out until the end of the day. So caught a couple on some jigs and got one on an A-rig. So couldn't really pull up a pattern for the A-rig, but I think we're gonna come out here one more day and try it out. So day 1, let's see what we can do for day 2, and then it's tournament time. So let's go.